yaka fight namba isar jong NUE umno kata karukom fight jong kickboxing hangnai ida lagi jong kete Millie Grace, gold medal. Udapan Das, silver medal. Shan Borlang Nongbri, Shan Borlang Nongbri. Hello. 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 Winners. Blue corner. Muhammad Waidur Rahman. I tell Mr. Rafi, please come forward and take the trophy from our guest. Please come Mr. Bara and team.
Lot of inspiration. I like to thank the Samuel Hesha, Sonowal, John CSP, all the office bearers and the members of the Northeast Kickboxing Association and all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association for organizing this beautiful tournament which has given a platform for all the youths coming from the different states to participate in this tournament today. Congratulations to each one of you, particularly the all participants, whether you are winning or not. Your participation itself is the winner. You are the winner. And congratulations to all the winners, the runners-up, and all the winners for this tournament today. I really appreciate Samuel. He has been in touch with me and he keep in touch whether what time I reach, what time. Now before coming here also, he had told me to ensure that I reach on time for this program. I really congratulate for his efforts, his discipline and his organizing skill that he is having. It's a great job that he has done and he has given the talents, he has given the platform to all the talents to showcase their talents here. I'd like to thank all the states from the Manipur, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, from Mizoram, except Sikkim, except that they have not come. But next time I saw the all 8 states will be a brotherhood to come to Meghalaya to be ensure that the integration it is built among all the community, all the different people here in the state of Northeastern state and also in our country, India today. I once again like to congratulate sir. I would like to inform you also. See, we from the Northeast Integration Rally and Festival, we are organizing the festival on the 6th and 7th there at Utro for to bring all the Northeastern people, whether they are from the different language, they are the different community, they are the different tribe, they are the different, whatever they are belong. We are proud to be a Northeastern state. Nobody should look us like we are a Chinti, we are a Chinese, and nobody should say like that only. We should live peacefully in our country, we should live peacefully in the world today. Let's make this world a better place to live in for you, for me, and for everyone. Once again, I'd like to thank the Samuel Hesha, the Sonowal for organizing such a very, very heartbreaking tournament in the state of Meghalaya, in the capital of Meghalaya, Shillong. Congratulations and God bless you all.